Hello everyone, welcome back to the series bonus 2, and we are discussing in the bonus 2 real businesses mistakes, right? And we are learning from the real case studies. So friends, before that we start, I already uploaded the part 1 and part 2 of the bonus 2 series. It is a very important thing, and you please go back and watch them. Then please come back to this part 3. It is all about the wrong expense booking. And yes, for the wrong expense booking, I already uploaded in the detail in my day 1, day 2, day 3 series. And yes, I already shared the checklist, which one video I already uploaded in the bonus 1 series. Please go and watch them. It is designed in a very systematic way, in a step-by-step manner. So please go back and please then come back to that video. It is all about the part 3 that we are going to discuss in short. Wrong expense booking, which is a very common mistake that directly impacts your profit, your tax, and your decision making. Right? Why I'm saying this? Because many businesses focuses only on the recording the business account expenses, right? But they are not paying attention. They are not paying attention to whether they are booking in the correct way, in the correct head, or not, right? Why I'm saying this? Let me explain this with a real case that we found. One business I saw booked. There are so many cases like this. So one of the case I'm discussing with you. One business booked a major asset purchase as a normal expense head in the P&L, in the profit and loss account. Now what happened? This reduced their profit significantly in that month. But during the audit, it was identified that this was not an expense. This is just a simple asset purchase, capital asset, which should have been recorded in the balance sheet. And yes, which should be depreciated over time. But what happened? That mistake not only affected the financial statements, but also created the tax complications. Because excess expense claimed in that period, right? Now what exactly is wrong? Let's understand easily. Expense booking wrong recording means recording an expense in the wrong category. Yes, in the wrong category, wrong period, or without proper understanding of its nature. So its effect on the profit, it effect on your tax, as you're reducing your profit and you're reducing your tax. Why this is happening? It is all the happening due to the lack of accounting knowledge, or can say or in hurry. For example, we are hurry during the month closing, right? So it can happen definitely. So now let us understand the common mistakes. A common mistake is the booking capital expenditure as a revenue expense recording. Personal expenses in the business accounts. Yes, and it's not allocating expenses to correct heads. For example, admin selling or production expenses missing, accruals or prepaid adjustments, and yes, duplicate or incorrect entries. Now, what should you do? What should you do to avoid this issue? First is understand the nature of expenses before booking. Before booking, yes, understand the nature, whether it is a capital expenses, whether it is a revenue expenses. Second thing, it is a very important, follow a proper chart of accounts and use the consistent heads. Next thing is that review the high value expenses carefully before finalizing your books. Now let's come to the next point, is the you have to separate your personal and business transactions clearly. Next thing is that do a monthly review of your profit and loss account, just to identify any unusual entries. Now let me give you one practical tip, that you should create a rule that any high value or uncommon transaction, which is not very common, must be reviewed before the booking. and this simple step can prevent the major errors, right, and save you from the future corrections and audit issues. So the key takeaway from this case, from this video, is wrong expense booking. Right? Is wrong expense booking does not just affect your numbers; it affects your business decisions. It affects your tax liability, and it's also affect overall financial clarity. So friends, always be careful, always be careful, and review your entries properly also. Yes. And yes, at the end, if you have not checked my bonuses 1 and bonuses 2 earlier parts, I already uploaded and with the checklist. So please go on my YouTube channel, please go and watch them, because it is very important for your month closing process. And will definitely avoid, if you follow the proper system with proper checklist, right? It will definitely avoid your mistakes going forward. And yes, in the end, if you found this video helpful, please like and share and subscribe my channel. And also, I have very important thing. I have shared my WhatsApp group link, VIP WhatsApp group link in the description. You can join there for daily, for the more and practical updates and insight will are daily shared in that group. So friends, thank you so much, and we will see in the next case. Thank you so much.